Today we will study about electricity. Electricity deals with the study of charges. We can study electricity under two headings: static electricity and current electricity. Electricity produced when the charges are at rest. You have done this activity that when you rub a plastic scale on your dry hair and bring it near bits of paper, the bits of paper are attracted towards the glass scale. Similarly, when we rub glass rod with silk cloth, glass rod becomes positively charged as it loses electron, and silk cloth becomes negatively charged because it gains electrons. Properties of electric charges. Electric charges are of two types: positive charges and negative charges. Unlike charges attract each other, like charges repel each other. Electric charges are quantized. Let me explain you this. Symbol of charge is Q. SI unit of charge is coulomb. N is an integer. E is charge on one electron. Q is equals to Ne, that is charges are in multiples of electrons. So we say that electric charges are quantized because it is in multiples of electrons. We can now calculate the number of electrons present in 1 coulomb of charge. Here Q is equals to 1 coulomb. Charge on electron is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. We put this values in the formula. Q is equals to Ne. So we can now calculate number of electrons, which is 1 upon 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. We take 10 to the power minus 19 towards the numerator, and we also remove 110 from this and multiply it with the other 10, so it becomes 100. So 100 divided by 16 into 10 to the power 18 when calculated comes out to be 6.25 into 10 to the power 18, or we can say that in 1 coulomb of charge number of electrons present is 6 into 10 to the power 18. Current electricity. Electricity produced when the charges are in motion. We can define electric current as the amount of charges flowing through a particular area in 1 unit time. We can also define it as the rate of flow of electric charge. From this we can derive the formula for current. I is equals to Q upon T, where I is the symbol of current, Q is the charges flowing through the conductor, and T is the time. Smaller unit of current is milliampere. Milliampere is equals to 10 to the power minus 3 ampere. Microampere is 10 to the power minus 6 ampere. SI unit of current is ampere. 1 ampere can be defined as when 1 coulomb of charge is transferred through a conductor in 1 second. Now we will use this formula I is equals to Q upon T to solve one simple numerical. Calculate the current in a circuit if 300 coulomb pass through it in 10 minutes. Here Q is equals to 300 coulomb. Time is equals to 10 into 60, 600 seconds. Using the formula I is equals to Q upon T. When we divide 300 upon 600, we get half, which is equals to 0.5 ampere. So the current flowing through it is 0.5 ampere. Thank you. In the next part 2 video, I will be explaining you a little more about electric current, and we will take another topic, that is potential difference.